Hi guys, I'm Afton and welcome to my channel. How you guys doing? Today is Vlogtober day 9 and we're going strong. If you guys are new to my channel, I would like you guys to know that every day in October I will be uploading a video for you guys, alright? So you can go and check my previous 8 videos that I did early in the week as well, alright? So in today's video I will be showing you guys how to make Guyanese Dhal, or some people will say dal, alright? So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make your Guyanese Dhal tasty, delicious, just like mine, alright? Today I'm going to eat my dal with some rice. You could eat your dal with whatever you want. Some people would eat it with, like my big son, he likes to eat his dal with roti. So you can eat eat your dal with whatever you want to eat it with, right? But today I'm just going to eat it with some plain white rice, alright? So I'm going to show you guys how to make this delicious dal. So follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton, alright? And don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Let's get this video to maybe like 100 likes, alright? We can do it. Yes, the Afton gang can do it. So let me just show you my ingredients for my Guyanese Dhal. Enjoy. See you tomorrow. Hi guys, here's my ingredients for my dal. I have a cup and a half of split peas here. I soak it overnight. I have some all-purpose seasoning, but you can use salt if you want. I have some whole Geera, a little bit of curry powder. I have some grated garlic with a Wiri pepper. I have some powdered Geera as well. I have 1 cube, and I have some garlic. I have to chop this up. So the first thing you're gonna do is pour the peas into the pressure pot. We'll be back. So I'm gonna put my peas to pressure. So I'm gonna put my peas into my pressure pot. I already have 3 cups of water inside there. I'm also gonna put my Wiri pepper with some grated garlic to give it some flavor. I'm also gonna put a little bit of curry powder. Guys, this is how I make my dal. Everybody make the dal their own way, alright? So this is my version. And I'm gonna put in my 1 cube and a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, alright? So I'm gonna cover my pot now and let this pressure for about 10 to 15 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so my dal finished pressing. So this is how it's looking here. So I'm gonna take my whisk and just mix it up a minute or so to get any, if you have any whole ones, leave back. You can break it up. So now we're going to Chunkay or dal. So we'll be back. Okay, so my dal finished pressing. So this is how it's looking here. If you want, you could blend it up, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay, to Chunkay dal you have to put some garlic. I have some whole Geera in here. Put it like different parts. And you're gonna put some oil. You're gonna put some oil in it so you can fry it. Alright, and then you're just gonna put it on your stove like this till it starts to get brown. Alright, so we'll be back. As you can see here, you can see that it's already starts frying up here. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me bring it a little closer. Yeah, it's already frying up. We have to keep frying it till the garlic gets a little more brown. Alright, so we'll be back. As you can see here, it's getting brown. So just gonna let it get a little bit more brown, and then you're gonna pour it into your dal. We'll be back. Okay guys, so it's brown enough. Some people want like it like a little bit more darker, but this is okay for me. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna pour this into your pot here. So pour it into the pot and cover it quickly as possible. Right? Let all of those flavors marinate into the dal. So cover it for about 3 minutes. We'll be back. Okay, so now you're gonna mix it up now. Mix it up, and the dal is done here, guys. Let me just taste it. Let me see if it needs anything else more. If it needs a little bit more all-purpose seasoning. So let me just taste it. Tastes really good. But I'm gonna put a little bit more, just a little bit more all-purpose seasoning in it. All right. Check in the description box down below for all my measurements and ingredients. Alright, so my dal is done here. I'm going to dish it out and let you guys see the end results. We'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the end results from my Guyanese dal. You see how you see this steam coming out because I just finished making this delicious dal. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload the next video. Alright, today is Vlogtober day 9. Alright, follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton as well. Alright, so I hope you guys try this delicious dal recipe. Alright, this dal tastes so good. I'm gonna eat my dal with some rice today. I'm doing vegetarian today, no meat. But you can eat it with dal, rice, and fried fish, or saltfish, whatever you want to eat your dal with. You can eat your dal with that, all right? But I'm just gonna eat some dal and rice today at work, all right? So see you guys tomorrow in Vlogtober day 10. Bye. Stay blessed, guys.